Hey y'all, so in today's video we're going to be customizing this wig, like applying it and all this stuff like that. I do not do the plucking and bleaching on camera because I do have a video of that on here already. I think I have like 2 plucking videos, and yeah, so I didn't do that on camera. But if you all would like to see that, then I guess I'll make a little short clip of it. But I mean, I'll upload what I filmed because I did make a reel out of it. But yeah, so if you want to see how we got this hair, you know, like this or whatever, you know, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts, and let me know what you want to see next. And yeah, just keep watching. So I'm going to start by positioning the wig onto the mannequin head, and just getting everything settled so that I can start hot combing it. I'm going to be using this 24-hour edge tamer by Erbie, however you say their name. So the purpose of this is to move all the hair out of the way, even the stray hairs. That way when I start to cut the lace off the frontal, I won't cut any of the hair. So as y'all can see, the hairline on this wig is very thick, and I did pluck it some, but I didn't pluck it the way that I really wanted to, because I knew it was going to be a middle part, and I needed to go ahead and get this this video out. So I'm gonna go over it twice just to make sure that I have all the flyaways out of the way and make sure the hair is straight back, because cutting the front off, I want everything to be perfect. So here I'm just going to be doing the exact same thing to the other side. So I'll be back with the voiceover when we are applying the wig. didn't want to do the ball cap method because honestly I didn't feel like it, but I did go ahead and put on a cap because I wanted to protect my edges as much as possible. I just had box braids, and not box braids, knotless braids, and they always take out my edges. So I did do the cap. Right now I'm just putting some foundation on it, that way the wig blends nicely. And I did put foundation onto the lace in the wig just to make everything blend, to get everything my skin color. And yeah, here I am just trying it on to make sure it is going to fit right, to make sure I got my part in the right place. And I'm gonna be cutting off the ear tabs. I tried to do it on camera, but y'all, it was extremely hard, so I had to look in the mirror. But here I just cut that extra lace off that was at the back, and just went ahead and cut it off the front. But I cut off the ear tab off camera because, like I said, it was hard to do. And that when I just started it. So now we got the ear tabs cut. It's looking good. It's okay, giving scalp. So I'm going to be using the Ebin lace bun and the got2b, and I'm just gonna go back and forth between these two until I get it like I want it, like until it gets tacky. Here I am combing the wig, kind of like making it stick onto what I've already glued or sprayed with the glue. I'm so terrible at instructions. And right here I'm just measuring the elastic band to see how much I need to cut off. That way when I get the wig sprayed again, I can go ahead and just put that on my head. So as y'all can see how thick the hairline is, like it looks like I had a scalp. But this hairline, with it being so thick, it takes a lot of plucking, and I just wasn't trying to do that. But I promise I'm gonna get it fixed one of these good old days. But now I'm just going back over the spray section by section, just to get the wig to lay down so it'll be flat when it's time to cut the lace off. Now to cut the lace off, I'm just taking these hair scissors and just cutting the lace into 4 sections. And then I'm going to be taking my eyebrow archer and cut off the excess lace, well, the rest of the lace. And that part right there was pretty hard to do. So most of it I did do on while looking in the mirror because it was hard to cut off. So I finished the rest off camera, and here we are looking crazy, okay? But I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush and put that around the lace, and then I'm going to be spraying it again with some of the spray that I used earlier, and I'm gonna tie it back down so we can get a decent melt. Okay, so now it's looking a little better. But what I'm doing now is just combing up the hair because it is laid flat from that glue and being tied down. So I'm just trying to pick that out. I should have left this alone, but I'm trying so hard to learn how to do baby hairs, y'all. So I really try. Don't laugh at me. I'm gonna get it one day. I'm gonna get it one day. And y'all may be wondering too, why you didn't curl the baby hairs? Girl, I ain't have time. I ain't have time. I did the best that I could. Okay, now we're gonna get it to looking a little bit like something. Okay, but I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. All the details of the hair, the hot comb, everything that I've used is going to be linked down below. Don't forget to comment and let me know your thoughts, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Stay tuned for the outro. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I love doing hair videos, so if y'all like these, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.